Okay, I'm back again. This is the one I did the other day, and haven't sat with it for just a little while. I'm not happy with it. I don't like the shapes and the formation of the pearls. So over here that I do like, but over here is a hot mess. So I'm going to paint over this. I am using today Julie Vatcher's pearl recipe that is about 2 years old. So I don't know if she's still using this, but it's a good question. She suggested putting the pearls on top of the colors to create a different pearl effect. And after seeing the results of that, I'm like, nah, I don't think so. So I'm going to put my pearl paint down first, like I did before, stretch it out nice and thin. I'm going to have the recipe for this down in the description, but this is 1 part of Amsterdam titanium white to 1 part of DecoArt pure white satin enamel to 1 part of my pouring medium that she describes, which is 70% PVA glue, 30% water. Okay, that said, when you get that done, it is super thick, way too thick for this technique. So I ended up putting another part, 1 part of water on top of that. I say 1-1-1, but it should actually be 1-1-1-2. I say 1-1-1-1 with 1 more part of water to get the consistency that I have here. Let me try to show you that. And again, this is thinned down to almost water. It goes right back into it. It looks very thin here, and it is very thin, but there is a lot of pigmentation here, and I'm absolutely positive this is not like water. So I'm going to flood this out. I'm going to get it nice and thin. I took a break and put some cups underneath it to get it off my table. Normally I used, well, at least I used when I did this type of thing, I used push pins, which is a lot easier because then you don't have to play games with the cups after you move it. So let me make sure this is centered, which it is not. Doesn't really matter, because I'm going to play games with this anyhow. So there you have it. I'm going to flood this out, and then I'm going to take my colors. I'm going to place some dead center in the middle, but I'll talk about that when I get there. So here we go. I'm going to turn on some music and let you watch. Wait, this would be a good time to take a minute and smash that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications of future videos. Let's get back to it. This is flooded out now, and I'm going to tell you up front, I think it's too thick because there's too much body to this, and I'm wondering if it's not going to mess up my pearls, and that's the experience I've had with the other recipe. We're going to see. Now I'm going to just make puddles in the middle, and no, I'm not. I'm going to try to do another style. I'm going to try to create a little bit of a landscape with this. We'll see if that actually works. So back onto music, we'll see what we're going to do. Paints are down. Now my landscape has turned more into a beach scene, which is, I'm okay with that too. Let's let it develop, and I'll come back in just a little bit and we'll see what we ended up with. Okay, let's talk about it for just a second. I can't be unhappy with this. I certainly did get the pearls I was hoping for. But let's go down and take a look. Right along in here, those pearls and the gold actually work beautifully. I didn't get the pearls on the outside like I would like to have gotten. Something's developing there. I don't know if that's going to continue to develop or if that's just a feature. So Now there's things I can do with this. It is certainly a beach scene, more of an Atlantic beach scene, except that gold sand would probably be characteristic more of the Mediterranean, maybe down to the Caribbean. But anyways, there you go. And I'll take some pictures and another flyover so you can get a better look. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope that you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.